Oh, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a new video, guys. Today we got an exciting video for you. So we got a new custom tune that we're going to be purchasing today and installing on the 335. You guys have probably guessed it by the title. It is a flame tune. So I've never thought I would ever do something like this, but it just looks really intriguing to me to be able to shoot like large flames. I think it would be cool to like have like a flamethrower 335. I think that's really sick. Like I said, I never thought I would do anything like this, but it's just been really intriguing to me recently, so I'm gonna try it out. Actually, I reached out to Alpine N55. I believe his name is Sammy. So we're gonna be downloading his tune for the 335 on boot mode 3. I'll go ahead and leave up his Instagram. It's really a crazy aggressive tune. So I'm curious to see how it's like on my car. It should be able to handle it just fine. I have all the bolt-ons and everything that I would need. Go ahead, install it, show you guys how to do it. All right, guys, so if you look over here, once we sign the little waiver, so this is how you go ahead and look up how to get the tune. So you open boot mode 3, and click on the menu on the top left, click on my maps. Above your list, you'll see request tune, click that button, enter the name of the tune at the top box, stage 2, 91 octane, large flames at 20. Pretty much once we've done all of that, we're gonna go ahead and contact him on Instagram and he should get back to us. All right, guys, so we're back out here at the car. So I went ahead and purchased it, and there's a few little things that we have to do, so let me go over that again. So pretty much we gotta open boot mode 3, so let's go ahead and open boot mode 3 on here. Then we go to menu, open boot mode 3. So we opened up boot mode 3 over here. Then we click the menu at the top left. Then we go to my maps. Above your list of tunes, you will see request tune. Click that button. So request custom tune. Okay, then we enter a name for the tune in the text box. Example, stage 2. Okay, so that's exactly what we got, stage. Okay, so now we are requesting it. Success. Your tune request has been sent to your selected tuner. You will see the pending map request as a map under my maps listing. Okay, so it's requested. Okay, so now it's showing up on my maps. So right now I have a stage 2 91 octane, and then I also have a stage 2 ACN 91 octane. That's the one I'm currently running. It even says that it's the last flash that I've done. So now we just requested a stage 2 91 octane large flames map. Hopefully this will work out for us. It shouldn't be too many problems. So we're just gonna wait for that. I'm gonna go ahead and message him on Instagram, see if he can do that for me real quick. Oh, and look at that. He literally got the request already. Perfect, okay. The good thing about him is that he's really responsive. He gets back really quickly, so that's perfect. So if you guys have any questions about the tune, you can go ahead, ask him a question. He'll get back to you really quick. He's asking if I have a transmission tune. Yes, I do. The boot mode 3 one. It's right here, Alpine N55, and he gets back really quick. All right, guys, so this is exciting. So he's getting back to me. Finally, we're getting a custom tune. That sounds so sick, having a custom tune. Now I can go ahead and say that I don't just have an off-the-shelf map for a tune. I actually have a custom flame tune. So that's so sick. Oh man, I'm excited for this. Okay, so I asked him a question. If you guys are in California, we have different types of gas. So our gas is actually worse in California. Even 91 octane is worse than in other states. So I just asked him, he's like, yes, I'm from California. So his 91 octane tunes are based off of California gas. So that's perfect for me. So if you guys are in California, Arizona, or Nevada, and you guys have that same question, that should be answering it for you. We are just waiting right now. So he should be working it out. He should be sending it over to me. So really excited about that. Then once we do get the tune, we still have to configure it, and I'll go ahead and show you guys how to configure it. So pretty much you open boot mode, click on the menu. So pretty much I'll just let you look at this for a quick second. Go ahead, pause it if you're curious once you get the tune. He already did it for me, so I don't have to worry about those things. So I'm glad about that. He already did it. He's doing a little bit more configurations, and then I can go ahead and flash it. So I'll show you guys once I do flash it. All right, guys, so something I always do before I flash my car is I go ahead and put it on a battery charger. So right now it's charging. It's better to be safe than sorry. I always make sure I do that anytime I flash it. If the battery loses all of its charge while you're flashing, you can destroy your DME, and pretty much your car is just gonna be toast. So I always just do that. Another thing that we have to do is plug in our seatbelt. I always just plug in the seatbelt behind me. It allows like all the computers to actually be able to be coded. It's some weird thing. Just make sure you guys got to do it if you are planning on doing this anytime you flash the car. Okay, so I think we are ready now. So it says the flash is ready. So let's go ahead, turn on the accessory mode, make sure our seatbelt's plugged in, everything. So we go over here, press flash, press here. Now we are flashing, so let's go ahead, wait a little bit. I will update you guys once it's done. All right guys, so it is finished. So let's go ahead and turn off the ignition. So we're just gonna go ahead and wait 30 seconds just to be safe, and I will catch up with you guys once it's done. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the car now. Sheesh, that's loud. So before I used to have a custom thing where my cold starts were really quiet. Looks like now I'm not gonna be able to do that, so my cold starts are gonna be really loud again. It is what it is. It was kind of nice to not have it be so loud. It is what it is, like I said. So let's go ahead, unplug everything. Unplug the laptop, let's unplug the Ethernet. And let's unplug this. Let's go ahead and warm up the car for a little bit. We'll go ahead and drive around the block and see what happens with the flames. All right, so we're just gonna drive around for a little bit, warm it up, see how it goes. I already had a lot of my neighbors looking at me because it sounds a lot louder now, and it's really loud. It's really loud, as it is without even the tunes. Let's go ahead, drive around for a little bit, chill, and then we'll go crazy for a second. All right, so let's put it into sport mode real quick. Okay, and it should be doing it above 2,800 RPM, so. Oh my God, that was so loud. Bro, that's way louder than just like the off-the-shelf maps. Oh my God, so you know how there's off-the-shelf maps, so OTS maps from like boot mode itself. Well, they're pretty loud, but this is loud. Oh my God, it literally is a gunshot. It's literally a gunshot. It's so loud. Literally, it's twice as loud as the boot mode. Freaking pops. Oh my God, dude. This is the loudest I've ever heard it. Yo, I'm gonna get pulled over so fast with this tune. I gotta be careful, guys. This is literally a gunshot. Literally a gunshot. Yo. Oh my God. Bro, that's literally the loudest I've ever heard it. I'm literally shaking right now because it was so loud. Like, it's scary loud. Like, I feel like I can't drive the car anymore. Oh my God, okay, hold on, I need somebody. Guys, I'm literally shaking right now. It's so loud. Like, literally, like I'm scared to drive it in my neighborhood. I just can't go above 2,800 RPM because, dude, literally it shakes. It shakes like the whole street. It's so loud. I've never heard a car being this loud. Like, I literally, like, it's so bad. It's crazy. It's crazy. Now, I just gotta go to like an isolated location and just record a bunch for you guys, because literally any cop sees me, I'm literally busted. Like, I'm screwed. But it's worth it. It's worth it for you guys. It's so loud. I wish I would have taken a video of it. I'll just have to go later today, because it's seriously so bad. Like, I'm just gonna have to find an isolated location, drive over there, and show you guys properly what it's like, because I literally can't record here. It's so loud. It's too loud. It's genuinely too loud. So I will catch up with you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be recording with the GoPro on the back while it's driving with the flames, so you guys can see what it looks like while driving. I set up a little GoPro mount right here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and hook up the GoPro. We're gonna go drive out to the back roads, so we're not disturbing the neighborhood. It's a few hours later, so it's better lighting, so you guys can actually see what's happening with the flames. I'm super excited to see how it goes. Oh my gosh. Dude. Okay. Just get it up to there and let it go. Okay. Go ahead. Yeah. Oh my gosh, guys, I can't hear anything. It's so loud. We revved it a few times and my ears are just like hurting at this point. It's so loud. I'm gonna try to get some more driving clips with the GoPro, because me standing behind there and trying to record, that's a no-go, because I can't hear anything anymore. So we're gonna go ahead, drive a little bit, and hopefully get some more GoPro clips for you guys. Alright guys, so that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, the crazy flame tune. So I'm gonna go ahead and link the tune down below if you guys are interested in this tune from Alpine N55. I'll go ahead and throw up his Instagram one more time so you guys know. Super crazy fun, super crazy loud. Like, it is literally insanely loud. I honestly can't believe it. It's really, really fun to mess around with. Just have a good time, you know what I mean? So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to go ahead, give it a like down below, and make sure to subscribe as well while you're at it. It would really help me out. Make sure to check me out on Instagram. I'll go ahead and throw up my Instagram right over here. And without further ado, guys, remember to stay safe, stay happy, and stay in that project car. I will catch you guys later.